Okay, it's Monday the 20th, around 7 o'clock. If you want to donate, that's the way you can donate. I put that up there because I get questions asked. In the last few days, the one we had to make a donation was Laura Codell. Okay, so now we got our snow, and this is what I had as what I thought was going to happen, and maybe a little high on the numbers through here. But this was basically the area that got the heavy snow. I thought a little less up this way is what I was saying, almost nothing up this way as we got closer to the storm, and that worked out. Philadelphia got maybe an inch or two less than I thought. But I wanted to show you that. And if you've been watching my videos, I talked about that frontal boundary where you have this -8 line through here, and that's kind of what I was using as a guidance who would get the heaviest snow. This is from the National Weather Service, reports of how much snow. So you can see I kind of lined it up right through here. Now this out here is because it's the mountains, but the area through here is where that -8 frontal boundary was at, and it kind of filled in correctly where it was at. So I just wanted to show you how that kind of all comes together. Now, the next several days, the big news is going to be the cold temperatures. Snow's behind us. There's just a chance of a little bit of snow tomorrow night from a low off the coast. That would only bother the Jersey shoreline, but it really at this right now kind of looks like flurries or a dusting, basically out of that. Now, this is your 8 p.m. temperatures this evening, and you can see some zeros are showing up out here in West Virginia. Correlates also with the heavier snow they have there. But your snow out here that comes through here is going to be like your refrigerant. We haven't had that for a while. And as we go through the nighttime hours, you get this out towards tomorrow morning when the kids are on their way to school or you're headed to work or whatever. This is the real field temperatures. Anything in the light blue here is below zero. Look at all the in between here. It's all single digits until you get down here to Philadelphia and Jersey when it's in 12 to the low teens. It's pretty cold. The real feel on your skin, again, out here in Western PA, there's some places out here in the Northwestern, Bellefonte, or Bradford area, Erie area, where it could be 20 below zero. Elsewhere out here, you're in the teens below zero. As you move towards the east, towards Williamsport, Harrisburg, -5, -6, and you can see it goes all the way down here towards Philly, where it feels below zero. And then when you get down there, it's basically the single digits that you got going on. Now we move this a little bit ahead to daytime temperatures tomorrow. If we have any relief, or you want to call it relief, this is your real field temperature. No, this is your real temperatures or bulb temperatures, single digits to low teens basically everywhere. So very cold day tomorrow. And during the day, during the middle of the day, it still feels like it's below zero in all these areas and single digits through here. So very cold day to be out there tomorrow. If you got any kids going on the bus stop, dress them warm. Or if they're walking to school, like I used to do, I don't know if anybody does that anymore, but um, dress warm. That's all I can tell you. Make sure you're dressed up. As we move this out to Wednesday morning, again, these are really cold temperatures. Now, this is what the temperature actually is. And you can see you got minus teens, -17 here. You got up by Bradford, -17. Laurel Highlands are in the minus teens. As you get towards the Poconos, you got some below zeros. Again, anything in the light blue, below zero. And then you can see a lot of single digits. And the real field temperature could be 20 to 30 below zero in some places. Very cold going to be Wednesday morning. Again, dress warm at the bus stops. Yeah, if your school puts a delay in, let's just say they decide, hey, let's put this picking up till 10 o'clock in the morning. Um, this is what it's going to look like at 10 o'clock in the morning, temperature wise. Still single digits up in northeastern PA, teens down here towards Philadelphia, South Jersey, and Delaware, but all single digits in between and still below zero temperatures everywhere. But hey, that little blue spot there, guess what? That's Pittsburgh. So that's what's going on, and it's going to feel like this on your skin tomorrow around 10 o'clock. So a little bit of relief, but not a lot. And usually I don't go out too far, but I'm going to go to Tuesday or Thursday morning just to show you that here's your temperatures. There's a smaller area now that's below zero. Everybody else is in the single digits, except down here towards Jersey and Philadelphia, where they're like between 10 and maybe 18 degrees, depending on where you're at there. And your real feel on your skin still feels like below zero, but you don't see those extreme numbers like 20, 30 below zero anymore. You don't see that. So Thursday morning, we start to pull out of it a little bit. All right, just wanted to mention one thing. I just want to thank everybody for sending me the photos, your snow totals. I think the few people that haven't had snow in the last few years are a little happier today that they actually got one. Um, and the funny part is now they want to know when they're going to get the next one. So there might be something at the end of the month we have to look at right around the first. But I do think as of right now, if I had to pick a day, I'd say February 3rd or 4th we start to moderate into above normal temperatures. And I think right around just before that, like on the second, there should be some kind of a storm, whether it's a snow or a snow ice mix. But we're going to get into those crazy kind of weather in February, where we start to get some ice involved and rain and snow and everything mixed together. All right, everybody, take care and you be safe out there.